Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. I'm actually recording this and holding my newborn baby girl. Her name is Evie, so you may hear her in the background. I just wanted to say if you are a first-time mom as well, we are all in this together. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you how I am able to maintain a clean home while being a stay-at-home mom with a newborn. So for starters, I just want to share with you and let you know that during this time that I was cleaning, my husband actually was feeding our daughter. So, if you are unable to get some time to clean when you're home, being a stay-at-home mom with your little one, I completely understand. And what I have to say about that is don't be hard on yourself. I just feel like the newborn phase, it goes by so fast, and I feel like not even the newborn phase, just being a mom and having your little one, it goes by so quickly. So spend that time with your little one, and when you have the time to clean and get things done, you will get it done. But don't put that kind of pressure on yourself. Being a first-time mom, I was actually watching Jamie's journey, and she had commented back to me saying that having kids has really changed her perspective on cleaning, and I feel like that's something that I learned as well, being a mom now and having Evie. You can get things done when you get them done, and boy, does it feel good to have a clean home and get things done. I think that's, why I make these videos and why I like to watch cleaning videos, is because being a homemaker is something that I've always wanted out of life, and being a stay-at-home mom and making sure that our home is well taken care of and it's a comfortable, cozy place. So just know that what you see online, like I said, the only reason I was able to get some of this stuff done in this video today is because of the help of my husband, I should say. So this is kind of gross, but I had to share with you how dirty this bottle drying rack had gotten. We've had our daughter for probably 3 weeks now, and the amount of dust that just collected over there, we just didn't have time to clean it yet. So I ended up just popping that in the dishwasher, but I just wanted to show you that you can't stay on top of it all of the time, but when you are able to get things done, you can get them done. So one thing that I do every day, of course, is dishes and washing bottles, because we're constantly going through bottles, but I hand wash her bottles. So that's what I'm doing right now, and just also washing any dishes in the sink. I find that's a really good way to just stay on top of things, keep the house clean and organized, and you're just kind of keeping everything moving. You want to keep that momentum going. But what you're also going to see in today's video is me like wiping down our countertops. I don't do that every day. I've been doing it more since we have a newborn, just to make myself feel a little bit better about like maintaining a clean home. But I definitely do not wipe our counters every day. Another thing too that I've found, and let me know if you guys are like this, but I really get nervous using my cleaning products around my daughter. I used to I still have Windex in the house, but more like chemical cleaners, and I just get nervous with it around a newborn. So I actually went to Target and purchased an all-purpose cleaner that I'm going to use later in today's video, and I'm really impressed with the ingredients in it. I also use Thieves a lot, but for some reason the smell is so strong. I don't know why I'm so worried about it getting like in her passageways or like her breathing it in. Let me know if you guys are like that or were like that. I know that might sound so silly, but when I mopped the floors the other day, I had my husband just take her into our bedroom and just keep her there for a little bit, because I just didn't want her smelling any of the fumes. So yeah, I don't know if that's just me. I don't know if it's like postpartum anxiety, but you just realize as a mom, or being like a first-time mom, how things smell so much when you have an infant at home. So right here, I'm just opening and shaking this Island Teriyaki marinade and sauce, and I'm just putting that in a Ziploc baggie with chicken tenders to marinate. Another thing about being a mom, I feel like I'm constantly one step ahead of the game. I feel like you have to be. So, getting dinner prepped and ready to go. This is something that you can just throw in the Instant Pot, or if you would like, and what I'm gonna do is pop it in the oven later with a little bit of salsa on top, with a side of rice and a vegetable. So right now I'm just using a dish rag just to wipe off any crumbs, formula, any kind of unknowns that can tend to just get on our countertop. So I like to do that before I go in and really clean our counters. So for our granite, I use the Weiman Granite and Stone Daily Clean and Shine. The reason that I use this is because when we purchased when we redid our kitchen and purchased, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Not when we purchased, I mean, yeah, we bought it, but when we installed our granite countertops, I was told like not to use Windex or anything. I want to say, I can't remember the ingredient in the Windex, but I was told that it can basically like fade away and like take off the top layer of the granite or something along those lines. So that is one thing that I always purchase is a good granite cleaner. I don't like to use all-purpose cleaners or like Mrs. Meyer's. I see a lot of people do that and I'm sure it's fine, but for some reason I just like to use something that really says like, yes, you can use this on granite, and it works really great, honestly. So I would definitely recommend this product. If you've been watching my videos, then you know that I also use the Weiman Stovetop Cleaners. These are incredible. Honestly, if you get the little red sponges that you're supposed to use with the deep cleaning solution that I pour on our stove, incredible. Like it honestly makes your stovetop look brand new. And then you can go in with that daily cleaner, but I always use the daily cleaner after I go in with the more intense cleaner. Same thing, I don't do this every day. Sometimes I'll let build up, kind of add up and get on our stovetop. That way I'm not doing it every single day and wasting the product, but it makes a huge difference. So right now I am just cleaning up our living room. This is something that I honestly find myself doing quite a few times throughout the day, especially having a newborn. This is where we spend a majority of our time. Sometimes I like to change things up. I'll go in her nursery, I'll rock her. I'm trying to get her to take naps on flat surfaces, so I'll lay her down in her crib for naps. Haven't been successful with it yet. If you have any tips, let me know. But for the most part, we spend a lot of time here in the living room. And I've also mentioned in a previous video, what has helped me is having little baskets throughout the house. So having a basket for, wipes and diapers and outfits and little mitts, swaddles, keeping that organized. I love organization. If you would like to see, what I have in my baskets in the living room for a newborn, let me know. I'd be happy to share that with you. And then also we have blankets all over our couch because we bought this couch a year ago from Raymore and Flanagan, and it is a light cream color. So I'm just trying to keep that as clean as possible, just because, as you guys know, you spend a lot of money on your couches. You want them to last a while. So that's why we have blankets sprawled all over the couches. Oh, hi. Guess someone wants to say hello. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, I am using a multi-purpose cleaner. I picked it up at Target. It's called 9 Elements. So it's a vinegar-powered multi-purpose cleaner. It's supposed to help with dirt, grease, and grime, and it's in a lemon scent. You can read all the ingredients on the back, which makes me feel a lot better. And honestly, it does not smell as intense as all these cleaners. Like, you barely even notice the smell. Like, you notice the lemon, but it smells like you can smell the vinegar, and I am more than okay with that. So I would recommend it. It was only $4.99. I was deciding between this one and this Method Apple Crisp Cleaner. That's also multi-purpose, but yeah, I like this one so far. I did use it on our stovetop the other day and it left some streaks, but you know, using it on like our kitchen table, not the granite, like our actual kitchen table, or like this furniture that we just bought on Wayfair. I don't know what it's like. It's like that fake plasticky stuff. That's fine. The windowsill, like certain things, or like the bathroom sink, you know what I mean? I'm totally fine using a multi-purpose cleaner like this in those areas. My favorite cleaning hack is getting a Roomba. Honestly, I had an iLife robot before this Roomba that was a hand-me-down from my sister. I liked it more in the sense that like it didn't run over things or our feet as much. This Roomba, I'm not sure the model, but it tends to do that and get stuck. But nonetheless, it cleans up very well, so I will run this probably once a day in all areas of our home. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Bye, guys.